Modern cars, after like 2000-ish, all very great, but one thing that really peeves me is they've mostly all got at least one plastic element in the cooling system. And after like 100,000 Ks, or 160,000 Ks, 100,000 miles, mate, this stuff starts to break down and you need to keep on top of it. Case in point, my Outlander here. Now, this thing's done 310,000 Ks, so well past the 100,000 that I mentioned. And yeah, I've already replaced the radiator in it. I've just got to replace the filler neck because, as you can see, that's leaking coolant. Now, fortunately, this is a pretty easy job to replace. It's one bolt, 2 hose clamps, and the thing's way out. So definitely, people, if you're maintaining your own modern vehicles, check over all those plastic components in the cooling system. Check them all for little telltale signs of leaks. Could save you a cooked engine. Like, I've had it before with old plastic components. Yeah, and it always happens when you've got it loaded up. When you've got the most pressure in the cooling system, they let go. Some models, you're able to find metal replacements for those parts. Some of them at times are hideously expensive, and yeah, if you just do a routine change out schedule of some parts, it's probably better value for money just to replace it with plastic ones and keep them fresh. But that's a personal preference. If you want to do it, replace it once and forget about it, that's great too. Anyway, just thought I'd share that little tip with you.